everybody, welcome back to the channel. I appreciate you stopping in today. I'm down here in the shop and I've got a little DIY project I wanted to share with you. For some time now I've been wanting to make myself a marking tool for cutting up 16-inch rounds with my firewood. And I finally got around and remembered to pick up some of the material. So I think I'm gonna give it a try and make one. So let me share with you what I've got here. I've got some 1/4-inch rod. I've got this 25-pound magnet, and I've got it's a 1-inch washer. And these are the 3 items that I'm going to use to make my marking tool with. And I went ahead and cut this rod to 16 inches in length. And what I'm going to do on mine, I'm going to attempt to use a die and make a 1/4-20 section of threads on this to where I can screw it into that magnet and then weld it onto the washer. So let's get started. I'm going to try, like I said, I'm going to try first to use this die and make some threads here and see if I can get it to thread in and use some jam nuts on the magnet to make it hold. So stick around and let's see what we can do. I've got some 1/4-20 nuts that I'm going to use here. This happen to be stainless, but they can be anything. And put that in there. That other one started, and I want that to be recessed up in there so it doesn't affect the magnet at all. 7/16 socket. And I'll back this jam nut up with a wrench and snug it down real good. Now it doesn't affect the magnet any. Got that part secured to the magnet. That should attach to my bar. So now let's get this washer. I'm going to weld it onto this rod. All right, here's a look at the finished product as far as fabrication goes. And it's literally taken me less than 10 minutes. It probably took me longer to tap that 1/4-inch piece of rod than it did anything. Now you could also drill a hole in this and tap that as well, or you could use 1/4-inch all thread. I just preferred the smooth, the smooth rod. But yeah, you could use 1/4-inch all thread and do the exact same thing and not have to weld or tap anything or use a die, I'm sorry. But yeah, let's get this painted up and then we'll get it put to use. Alright guys, I think that's going to do it for this video. I appreciate you watching. I know it's a little bit shorter video, but just a little DIY project that I did that I feel like, you know, about anybody can do at home with just a few pieces and parts from your local hardware store and a little bit of time, and makes a really good firewood measuring device. So I think it's going to be sturdy. I think it's going to hold up, and it saves time with, you know, using a tape or paint or chalk. It's kind of right there. You can mark it, pull it off, and then go right back and cut it. And from what I can tell, everything looks good and uniform. Let's see here, we got exactly 16 inches. Exactly 16 inches. And that one there's about 15 3/4 to 16. Cut it a little bit of an angle, but yeah, pretty accurate. So I hope this helps. You know, anybody that might be looking to make one of these measuring sticks. But if you got any questions, put them in the comments below. I appreciate you watching. Hit that like button, subscribe, and comment. I greatly appreciate it, guys. Have a good one. We'll see you.